In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change region for Apple Intelligence. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Intelligence has been released some months ago. However, for you to use it on an iOS device, you will need to change the region of your device, the language of your device, and even configure this Siri voice. Sadly, as it stands today, it is only available in the US, but you can access it as long as you manage your iPhone's region or language settings. So to start, go into the general settings. So go to settings, choose the general category, and scroll all the way down until you find language and region. Choose this option, and the very first thing that you will have to manage is the actual region of your iPhone or any other Apple device like an iPad. In here, you have to set it to the United States. Don't worry, this won't break anything, it won't lock you outside of applications, and all that you have to do is choose United States from the list. You will get a pop-up similar to this one, and you just choose the option to change to English US. Once you change it to United States as the region and English US as the language, you will be good to go. So change the region first and then double check the language at the top. When you look at preferred language, this must be English US. So if you have other English languages here, they will not work. The region has to be United States and the language has to be English United States as well. So don't use any other English option that you see. With this done, you are basically good to go. Now go back into the settings, and underneath General and Accessibility, there will be a new option here labeled Apple Intelligence and Siri. Of course, this will only be available if you are on iOS 18, so if you haven't already, perform a software update. The last thing to check is to make sure that the language in here is also set to English United States and the voice must be set to an American voice. Once you change these two settings related to Siri, finally you will see the option to join the waitlist for Apple Intelligence, and afterwards you have the option to enable it. Now, you will be able to have Apple Intelligence. Keep in mind that if you switch your iPhone's language back to your original preferred one, then Apple Intelligence is going to go away. So you must leave it on the US region and language in order to have access to Apple Intelligence. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off or how to change region for Apple Intelligence. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.